Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Coffee Biker. I am Suman Paranjape. Today I am going to brew and explain about the French press. French press is one of the oldest and one of the easiest coffee brewing method where you can brew one of the best black coffee. So this is the French press, which comes with the two part. One is the coffee chamber and is the plunger, where you will plunge and do your coffee decoction. So let's start brewing it. So today I have already freshly brewed my coffee grounds with a French press set, and I am using it 40 grams. So we will use the ratio of 1:15. So your 1 gram of coffee and 15 ml of water. Your water should be in the temperature of 96 degrees Celsius. So when you are brewing it, it should be around, your slurry temperature will be 94 to 96 degrees Celsius. So your coffee will be properly extracted and the flavors will be overcome very nice. So I'm pouring it. When you are pouring the water in this method, you need to pour the water very fast. So it should not be slow extraction, so your coffee will be overbrewed. And I'm taking, as it is 40 grams, I'm taking the equal amount of the same what the math says, that much of the water. And once I'm ready with the pouring, I'll put it back and I'll wait for 4 minutes. So it takes 4 minutes to get properly brewed. And I'm using the weighing machine just because I'll not miss out any ratios. So it will be proper on the time, as well as it will be on the proper quantity. So we have to wait for 4 minutes. Till that time I can just give you a brief about the flavors, body and nature of this French press coffee. So comparing to all other brewing methods in French press, you will not be able to get a clean coffee because it doesn't have any other particular filters. So here you will be having a normal filter where you will get a little bit of coffee sediments in your cup, but not to worry, it's a pure coffee. So the coffee body will be like medium to more over the medium, and it will be having a medium brightness with a more over the fruity flavors, as I'm using a microclimate, one of my favorite coffee, where you can get cherry as well as you will go for fruity flavors. You can enjoy, I really get the olive flavor, which is very nice in cup. So these are all the flavors, you can get it in this. And I'm using Hario, is one of French press. It's one of the well-known French press, and always, as you know, Japan has one of the best foodware glasses, which produce one of the best foodware glasses. So I'm using it, and it has a olive wood finish. You can see all this wood, it is olive wood, and I'm using 100% organic coffee. And here you can see some of the green coffees here. Once this is the first step of coffee growing. So once this green coffee goes to roasting, it gets to the dark coffee, what it comes to the roasting, where the life starts to the coffee. So once I always say, whenever you are brewing your cup of coffee, I say personally, if you are well equipped, go for a freshly brewed coffee grind. So it will be more active, it will be more live, you can enjoy more flavors from your cup of coffee. So it's now 4 minutes. I'm going to give a gentle press for this, very gentle. So you can see all the coffee grounds are going down. It's going to set at the base, and you will get your coffee decoction on top of this. So let's go and taste the cup of coffee. I always love microclimate, and French press is one of the nice coffee. The aroma, the flavors, the fruity flavors, as I was talking about, the olive flavors, all in this. It's perfect cup of coffee. As well as once you are done, I always say coffee grounds still they have a life. So once you prepare it out, you keep it on a paper, let it dry, and you can use these coffee grinds as a face scrub, which helps you to glow your face. Stay safe, enjoy your cup of coffee. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Thank you. Have a good day.